Hi, this is DJ Banovitz, Colorado personal injury and accident lawyer practicing in Denver, Colorado. And today's video tip is what questions should you ask a potential lawyer? If you've been involved in an accident or something in which you've been injured and you're looking to hire an attorney, there are certain questions that you should ask whatever attorney you meet with. First is, who's going to be handling my case? Why is this important? It's important because some law firms have several attorneys, and the one that you meet with might not be the person that ends up handling your case. You're going to want to meet with that particular attorney if your case is going to be reassigned to somebody other than the face that you saw on TV or in the yellow pages, and you want to make sure that you're comfortable with that attorney and that you come to feel that that attorney is well qualified to handle your case. Second important question to ask is, do you have malpractice insurance, and have you ever been sued for malpractice? Why? Because it happens. Some lawyers sometimes make a mistake on a case, and you want to make sure that you're well protected. Secondly, if that attorney has been sued for malpractice on more than one occasion, that might be a red flag that you might want to terminate the interview with that lawyer politely and look elsewhere. Third, does your firm have a high employee turnover? Why is it important to know if the firm has been through lots of employees, paralegals, support staff, secretaries? If a law firm runs through lots of employees, that's going to be a pretty good indication that their caseload is too high and that too many demands are being placed on that staff and that it's not a good place to work. If it's not a good place to work, those employees are not going to be doing the best job for your case. Which leads right into, how many cases do you handle? You don't want to become a file in the pile. If the lawyer has hundreds of cases and a handful of paralegals, the lawyer is not going to be intimately involved with your case. You're going to be talking to lots of paralegals, and that lawyer is not going to know what's going on with your case because it's just not possible to handle hundreds of accident cases and do it competently. Finally, have you published any books or guides for injury victims? Why is this important? It's important because that would give you some indication that this lawyer is consumer focused. He's looking to do things that are helping potential accident victims or people that have been in collisions answer the difficult questions that are running through their minds. Why am I telling you this? Because you have questions and I have answers. Call me at 303-300-5060 or email me at dj@coloradoinjuryfirm.com. Thanks for watching.